Hello everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make the Snowy IrisDuo earrings. They're pretty quick to put together and can be made in many different color combinations. So I have a couple here. We're going to work with the blue ones for this video, so it's a little easier to see on the background. So what you're going to need is some 3mm bicones, some 11/0s, 15/0s, IrisDuos, wire guards, and some ear wires. So I'm going to use size 6 smoke threads so that you can see it a little easier on a size 11 needle. About 18 to 20 inches should do. And I've loaded on here 6 IrisDuos with a 15/0 in between each of those IrisDuos plus 1 on the end, so a total of 6 15/0s as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to tie it in a circle. So we're going to go back through and then tie a knot. We do need to be careful when we tie the knot that we don't obscure the hole on either the 15 or the IrisDuo here, because we will be going back through them. So just be conscientious of that. So I am going to go through those, the IrisDuo, 15/0, IrisDuo. I'll go through all of them. And we'll create a nice little circle. So the 15/0 IrisDuo and the last 15/0 there. So I'm going to tie right over left, left over right, just being conscious of not getting it too tight so I have space to pass through there again. We'll leave a little bit of a tail so that we can tie off at the end. There we go. Okay. So now we are here. We're going to go through this 15/0 again, IrisDuo, and out the next 15/0. So through that 15/0 that we tied the knot at, the IrisDuo, and the 15/0. Now we're going to pick up a 15 and an 11 and a 15. So here's our 15, here's our 11. They're white, so I put them on a black piece of ultra suede, just easier to see. And then a 15. And we're coming out of this little 15 here, so we're going to go up the side of this IrisDuo and through the top. Now that we're coming out the top, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a 15, 11, a 15, 15, 11, 15. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go through just this 15/0, not the IrisDuo, just the 15/0. So here we go through that 15/0. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up the 15/0 that we added right before this one that we went through. So we'll go up that 15/0, just the 15/0, not the 11/0. So now we're going to add an 11/0 and a 15/0. 11/0 and a 15. And we're going to go through the top of this next IrisDuo. So go through the top. Oh, and I forgot to mention, before you do any of this, please make certain that you test both holes of the IrisDuo so that we don't have any blocks in here and frustration along the way. So now we've created this little kind of V in between these IrisDuos. So we have a 15, our 11, 15, and our shared 15s here, and then 11 and a 15. So now we're going to pick up 15, 11, 15, 15, 11, 15, and then we're going to go through this little 15 that's in the center here. So go through that 15. And then we'll go up, we'll skip the 15 we just went through and go up the next 15 to create our little V. And then we'll pick up an 11 and a 15 and go through the top of this next IrisDuo. So you're going to continue that around the IrisDuos here until you get to this last one here, and then we'll add that 15, 11 and go through these two 15s here, but I'll meet you back before we do that.
This month's Best Bead Box features 3 stunning kits for just $49.99. That's $10 off our regular price. Subscribe today and receive the Muted Moon bracelet, gem-woven beaded bead necklace, and silver leaf earrings, all delivered free to your door. Each kit includes premium beads, wire, clasps, and full step-by-step instructions. You can cancel anytime, so there's no risk, only inspiration. Subscribe now at PotomacBeads.com/subscribe. Together, we create.
We're coming out of our last IrisDuo here, and since we already have two 15-O's in the bottom of our V, we only need to add a 15 and an 11, and we're going to go through both of those 15-O's. So I'm going to pick up a 15 and an 11, and then I'm going to go through both of those 15s in the bottom of our V. And the one that's in the inner circle, I am eventually going to go counterclockwise through this IrisDuo. Since it's facing a different direction, we'll want to go from right to left through that 15-O. So go through that bottom 15-O, and then we will go through the bottom of that next IrisDuo. And then we'll go through these two 15-O's and the left 11-O and 15-O. So up through those two 15-O's. There's one of them. Through that second 15-O. Then we'll go up the 11-O on the left and the 15-O. Now we're going to go across the top of this IrisDuo and through this 15-O, and then we're going to start to add our crystals. So go through the top of that IrisDuo and through that 15-O. So now we're going to pick up a 15-O, our bicone, and a 15-O, and we're going to scoot across and catch on to this other 15-0 at the top of the left side of the V. So we'll pick up a 15, a 3mm bicone, and a 15, and we'll go through that 15 on the left side of the V. Now we'll go through the IrisDuo and through that next 15 on the other side of the IrisDuo. And we'll do the same thing again, where we pick up our 15, our 3mm bicone, and our 15, and we'll go through the 15 on the left hand side, through the IrisDuo, through the next 15. So you will continue that all the way around, and I'll meet you back. After you add your last bicone, you will go through the top of that next IrisDuo and then up these two 15-0s next to your first bicone that you added. I did switch to a size 12 needle. I was a little nervous about going through these 15-0s multiple times when I add the wire guard, and I didn't want anything to break. So now I'm going to add a 15-0 and our wire guard. Come down our wire guard. We'll add another 15-0, and then we'll go down the two 15-0s on the other side of the bicone. So down those two 15-0s, and then I'm going to go across the two 11-0s that are sitting underneath that bicone. So through those two 11-0s. Then we'll reinforce our wire guard. So we're going to go up the now three 15-0s. 1, 2, 3. Go, and then we'll go through that wire guard again, and back down the other side, and through those three 15-0s along the other side of that bicone. Then you'll work your thread down to wherever the tail happens to be, and then you can go ahead and tie that off, and then you can thread burn it or use your scissors and cut off the ends there. Then you can add your ear wire to the top, and then you have a pair of Snowy IrisDuo earrings. Thank you for watching this, and whether you make a pair of earrings or maybe even multiple colors for a mini tree for your desk, or to even add sparkle to a bow or a gift tag, I hope that you join us again for future videos with Potomac Beads.